Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Xero accounting app. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your Play Store. Then once you open it, you should go to the search bar and search for Xero. It will show you these applications. You should choose this one right here, and after that, you should download the application on your phone. Then once you download it, you should now open it. And now after you open the application, it will show you this page. Now you can simply click on create an account. Then once you click on create an account, you should now enter your first name and last name, then enter your phone number, then click on next, and now you have to enter your email. And after you click on next, it will show you this message that they need to confirm your email. Now I will try to open my Gmail inbox in order to see if they have sent me the confirmation or not. And now here, as you can see, they have sent me the confirmation. So I'm gonna click on yes, it's me. Let's get started. Then click on Chrome. Now they will ask me to activate the account. So I'm gonna type here a password of mine. Then click on activate your account. And now here, as you can see, they will ask you some questions like your business name, the industry. Let's say that I'm having medical industry, for example, general practice medical services. The business name is GH. It's just for demonstration of the video, and the country is Egypt. And now the last day of your financial year, let me leave it as it is, 31 December. Then here in this area right here, you have the time zone and the currency. So I'm gonna choose Egyptian pound. Now they will ask you if you have employees. No, it's just me. Then I'm gonna choose tool currently using to run my business. Now let's say that I'm using other, for example, or QuickBooks, or none, I'm just starting. Then I'm gonna click on start trial. After that, they will give you a free trial that you can actually use till you subscribe to one of their plans. So here, as you can see, it will show you this dashboard, and they'll show you exactly your business account right here. You can simply click on securely connect a bank account. They'll show you here the total cash in and out, also the account watch list, and the invoices owed to you. You can see it from this section right here. And here you will find the section of bills that you need to pay. And finally, the tax reporting. You can also click on edit dashboard right here in order to do some edits for your dashboards. And after you finish, you can simply click on save changes, or you can click on cancel. Now that was on the Chrome. Now let's try to open our application again. Now you have to go back on your application, then click on login. And once you click on login, they'll ask you to enter your email and password. So now I'm gonna click on login. And now they will ask you to protect your Xero account in 5 minutes. You can simply use the multi-factor authentication. I'm gonna click on not now. Then here they will show you which lock method would you like to use. I would like to use the device lock method, which is in my case here the fingerprint. And here you will find the same partitions but with better display in the application. And you can also click on reorder dashboard in order to, change the ordering of things. You can just simply hold on something, then drag it like this in order to change its position. And now let's go back and click on this section right here, purchases. It will show you all of your purchases from your bank accounts, but you should first add all of your bank accounts to the Xero account. And to do so, you should log in on a computer. So you cannot actually do everything from your phone, but from your phone, you can simply track all of your billings. You can track the in and out money, the taxes, the invoices, and etc. And you can also go to the sales here in order to add an invoice. Then click on this plus sign and choose any one of these options. You can choose invoice, code, bill, and so on. And you can also click on receipt, then click on attach files, then click on take a photo, and take a photo of your receipt by using your mobile camera. And you can also type here what was it for, where was it spent, and this will help you manage your purchases. After you finish, you can simply click on save, and you can also click on these 3 dots on the top and click on split into items and quantities, and it will show you how many quantities that you can put and the amount of money. You can also delete an item if you need, and once you finish, you should click on done. Now let's go back and check other features. You can also go to contacts right here, but you will see your contacts, or contacts will be added when you create invoices and receipts. Now we can also navigate to these 3 dots on the top right corner, then click on settings. Just in order to change some settings in your account, you can go to accounts right here and change your email or do additional security, you can simply click on forget down below right here and remove this email. Now let's go back and click on the notifications. You can also click on notifications or see all of your notifications from this spot right here. And if you simply have more than one business, you can simply switch between the organizations by clicking on these three dots on the top right corner, then click on switch organizations, and here you will find all of your business names, and you can switch from a business to another. And finally, you can click on these three dots and click on log out. You can also contact the Xero support, and here you have in the files inbox, you will find some about the contracts, and you can also upload some financial recordings right here. And that's all for today. This is how we can use Xero accounting app. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.